Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Honestly though, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But these horns are so big and heavy that it took so much to glue them onto my face. But that's not important. Let's take them off. Nice. Ooh. Takes so much time to put it on and so little time to take this off. Actually, just kidding. This is probably gonna take like 3 hours for me to wash off. Okay, it's coming off. That's good. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go shower. I feel so much better now. Have a great day, you guys.
What's up, guys? It's removal time, and I got an interesting story for y'all today. This story is about when I first started doing makeup. I started doing makeup back on Musical.ly. I used to have a Musical.ly account, One Rich Kev, back in like 2017. I do it because like I be depressed a lot. I gained 1 million followers on Musical.ly and then my page ended up getting hacked. I then lost inspiration because I didn't have anywhere to post my content because my page was hacked. I was afraid to post my content on Instagram because like my family followed me on there and they didn't understand what I did. They thought it was weird. So like that's like why I'm making like this TikTok now, to just like show like what I can do and that I still got it, to prove to myself. But yeah, that's how I got into makeup. So yeah, even though people think it's weird, I love it. It's very therapeutic for me. And I'm pretty sure they don't think it's weird because I'm black, so.
Well, hello, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, you guessed it is time to take this off again. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out, so I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off, but, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I think I should start with a glass. Nice. Now the candy cane. Ow, ow, ow. I didn't expect that to hurt as much as it did. Just kidding, I feel nothing. That made my eye water. Okay, fast. Woo. I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, Valeria, this look fits you perfectly. Do not take the beard off. But I am gonna take it off anyways. Gotta do it fast. Ah, that was not fast. Ah! It just doesn't want to come off. Please tell me my eyebrows are still on. Yes! Ah, yes, I did it.
La verdad es que me gustó mucho este maquillaje y no me quiero desmaquillar, pero hay que mimir. Son las 4:30. Aprovechando que estoy maquillada de esto, les voy a contar algo muy chistoso. Cuando era chiquita, mi mamá me hacía 2 coletitas al lado de la cabeza. Y pues tengo los ojos grandes y de chiquita pues tenía los ojos más grandes. Tengo pintura en los dientes. Y pues adivinen a quién me decían que me parecía. ¿Ya saben a quién? Así es. Este es Wu. Este soy yo. Y pues la verdad, yo era una bebé bonita. Me pueden decir fea ahorita, but I was a cute ass baby. Anyway, no es una story time, solo quería contarles como eso random. De hecho, una vez en prepa también me disfracé de Wu, nada más porque sí. Esta era mi disfraz, ella es una de mis mejores amigas de Salvador. Pero sí, creo que eran los ojos y porque era muy pequeña. Y pues sí, ¿qué opinan ustedes? ¿Me parecía Wu?
Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I cannot see because I'm wearing contacts. But I put both of them on, which is new. I could never put both contacts on, but, you know, I can't see. So I'm gonna attempt to take them off. Be right back. I took them off, you guys. I don't even know where to start with this one. Oh, boy. Beautiful. There's some right there as well. Yeah. Boop. Gotta take this all off. I'll be right back. So I accidentally got latex in my hair, so I have to cut it off now. Because latex doesn't come out of hair. Never mind, I got it out. Do you guys like my bangs? But anyways, good day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? I cannot talk. But it means it's time to take this off again. Oh my god. I made her out of clay. Boop. It feels so weird. I actually finished the whole Zodiac series. So if you guys are asking for your sign, it's already been done. The reason I was saying ow is because that one was in my hair. This one isn't. Nice. I bought moss from Joann's and I thought it was fake, but it was real, so I literally just had real moss on my face. Get out of my hair, please. Thank you. I love ripping my hair off, don't you? My favorite part though is the little claws. All clean now. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece, so have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that, it belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone.
I'm just gonna go on record and say that I don't think this is what they meant when they say, you know, use different face masks for different parts of your face. I don't think this is it. So let's take it off. Ew. Ah! So the green one is a peel. I wonder if I can just... Gross. Boing, boing, boing. Watch. Oh. Ooh. It fell off, but let's continue. Ew. My nose is not dry yet, so we must wait. But my forehead's dry. Whoa! Never do this, but come back for part 2, I'm sorry.
A despedirnos de Frankie. No sé por qué, pero este no es no lo quiero quitar. Tomémonos un momento para apreciar el body paint. Monster, monster. Voy a realizar la bañación. Son las 8.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was Aries. I had a lot of fun with it. I really tried hard trying to hide the headband from the horns. I forgot that word for a second. Honestly, wigs are so dangerous because every time I wear a new wig, I want to dye my hair a new color. Anyways, time for the good stuff. Ooh, right here. Ah, she really snapped. Now this side. Ooh, and the nose. Eee. I don't know why I make such weird noises when taking off latex. But now I'm just gonna go wash my face. I'm all clean now, but I decided to leave my eye makeup on because it's kind of bomb. Yeah.
Vamos a quitarnos este maquillaje. Me gustaría decir que casi son las 7 de la mañana y empecé a las 10. Siento que me falta hacer algo, pero no me falta hacer nada más que dormir, pero estoy estresada porque no sé si me gustó el video. Me voy a bañar.
Ich hab morgen ne Prüfung, hab eigentlich gut gelernt. Doch morgen sitz ich da und ich hab alles wieder verlernt. Meine Zusammenfassung muss man zusammenfassen, selbst dann wäre sie zu lang. Alles ist klausurrelevant, wo fang ich bei 1000 Seiten an? Ich hab einfach keinen Bock mehr, will doch nur schlafen gehen. Doch hör ich auf zu lernen, werde ich mein Studium nie bestehen. Sorry, dass ich zurzeit keine coolen TikToks dreh. Doch verschlechtern sich meine Noten, wenn meine Mutter mir den Hals verdrehen. Umdrehen